Now, in this lecture, we will consider the concept of cofactor, and then we will move to the more concepts of matrices. So, what is going to be a cofactor? We need to understand cofactor of an element. So, for example, let A be a square matrix Aij with n rows and n columns of order n cross n. Then I want to find out the cofactor of any element or Aij. So, what we can have is the cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Aij and is defined as Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij, where Mij is the minor of an element Aij. Now, for example, we consider the matrix A to be 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 2. So, this is the matrix we have. Now, we want to consider the cofactor of this element A11. So, we have A11 is equal to, we will be having minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. So, what is Mij? The minor obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. So, we delete the first row and first column, and hence we will have 2, 1, minus 1, 2. Now, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, minus 1 raised to 2 is going to be 1, and here this 2 2s are 4 and this minus minus plus 1. So, it is going to be 5. So, we obtained A11 is equal to 5. Now, we will consider some more elements. So, suppose we want to calculate the cofactor of this element A22. So, we calculate the cofactor of an element A22. So, what we will have? We will have minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into minor of this element. So, we have to delete the second row and second column. So, if I delete second row and if I delete second column, I have the determinant 1 minus 1 and I will be having 3, 2. So, minus 1 raised to 4 is going to be 1, and hence we will have here, this is going to be 2 and 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus, so it will become plus 3, and so you will be having 5. So, we get the cofactor of 2 element is equal to 5. Now, we consider some other element. So, for example, we consider this element A31. So, the cofactor of an element A31 is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 and minor. So, minor is obtained by deleting the third row and first column. So, we get the minor as 2 minus 1, 2, 1. And now, if we see minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1, 4 is going to be 1. So, we have this is 2 plus 2 and that is going to be 4. So, A31 is equal to 4. This way we can calculate the cofactors of an element, and now if I collect all these cofactors, then the matrix obtained by collecting all these cofactors is going to be a cofactor matrix. So, we can define a cofactor matrix. Yeah. So, what we can have is, let A is equal to Aij be a square matrix of order n cross n, then the cofactor matrix of A is denoted by A cofactor. So, this A cofactor is actually the matrix of all cofactors. So, that is A cofactor is equal to Aij, and this is also of the same order n cross n.